Hey guys, today I'll be unboxing this Traxxas Velineon Extreme Brushless Power System. It's a VXL3S 3500 version. I'll be upgrading the Traxxas son of a digger with this system. This truck came stock, with the Titan 550 motor. It's not the best system, but good enough to get you started. It runs decent. It's not slow. It's not fast. It just runs good. But I want more power and speed. I'm hoping this brushless system will do that. But with more power, I'm sure I'll be replacing more parts, having to upgrade them, like the differential, maybe some transmission gears. So let's get this started. Let's unbox this motor here. This looks like this mounting plate for the ESC. This is the ESC itself. Has a high current connector. Trying to focus here. There you go. And the motor itself. Trying to focus. Well, it's a 3351R. I thought it was gonna come with a 3350, but I'm guessing there's like an upgrade or something. Comes with the stickers, owner's manual for the ESC, and the instructions. And so I'll be making a before and after an install video here soon, so be sure to look for that. And please subscribe so you guys don't miss out on any of my videos. And thanks for watching, guys.